Y'all, today I'll be reviewing and installing these 8-inch crochet butterfly locks that I got from Toyotress hair. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, so let's just jump right into the video. Today I'll be reviewing and installing some 8-inch crochet butterfly locks that I got from Toyotress hair. They're available on their website, toyotress.com, and on Amazon. These are their Toyotress butterfly locks crochet hair, 8-inch, 8 pieces, natural black pre-twisted distressed crochet braids, pre-loop synthetic braiding hair extensions. Like I said, this is the color 1B. They also have plenty other colors and lengths available all the way up into 36 inches. Alright, so I'll put more information and a link to purchase in my description box below if you're interested. Big shout out to my girl, Rana Latoya, for the front picture. Okay, you looking good, sis. Alright, so when I got my package, it came with a metal crochet hook, and it also had one of those little tiny crochet hooks that you use to make lock extensions. And there were 8 packs of butterfly locks. Each pack of butterfly lock had 10 locks in it. They had no smell. They were somewhat lightweight, but had a little bit of weight to them. I love the texture, really cute. I've reviewed these locks before, but in the 12-inch length. I'll put a card and a link for it in my description box below if you're interested. Now for this braid pattern, I decided to repeat a similar design to something that I did in a previous video. I got a comment that said that they wanted to see how I did the braid pattern, so this video is for you. I did it a tiny bit different just because y'all know it is so hard for me to braid my hair on camera and stay in the frame. My arms be hurting so bad. But anyways, I had the previous braid pattern in from the last crochet braid, the half individual, half regular crochet braid install that I did. So all I did was loose out the sides of my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and put I'm gonna go ahead and put 3 braids on each side, some slanted braids. I moisturized my hair with my natural honey butter hair butter, and I'm using some Sheisbombcollection edge control to make the parts neat. This part is pretty like self-explanatory. You just watch and see what I'm doing. I'll be back once I start like fixing that little thing to the top. Alright, so now that I'm done with the 3 braids, I'm going to go ahead and braid them down into 1 braid, and then take the end of that braid and crochet underneath the braids in the back that I have already. Okay, now for the install, here's the loop. These loops are pretty easy to catch on. They were just a little bit tight, and I was so hyped about installing this hair that I completely forgot to do the top little section of my head. I'm going to handle that later on down the video. But to get started, I just crocheted in the locks just like any other crochet locks that you see me crochet in. Don't even mind them beady beads in the back of my head. Like, it don't even matter right now because it's all gonna get covered. So yeah, I'm just crocheting in these locks until I get to the top section, and I'm gonna show you what I do with that. Stay tuned. Okay, so now that I got the back part crochet in, I'm going to go ahead and handle the top of this hair. I had individual like little boxes, box plait, braid, whatever. So I ended up twisting them all back and then braiding it down and then sewing it all down to the end, to the back of my hair. Okay, so now that those braid twist things are secure, I'm gonna go ahead and start crocheting these locks into each of the boxes. Alright, so and now that I'm done with the crocheting, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Sheisbombcollection edge control and bomb glue gel and slick down these edges.
Give me all your number so I can phone ya. Hello? Yummy. Yummy. Hello? I like that song.
Alright, and now that I'm done with the baby hairs, this is the finished look. Okay, really cute. Okay, I love this hair. I know I said it a lot, who cares? I love this hair, okay? I want to give a big shout out to Toyotress hair for these 8-inch crochet butterfly locks. I'll put more hair information and a link to purchase in my description box below if you're interested. These locks were super easy to install, really versatile, really cute. Big shout out to Toyotress and big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love y'all so much.